Couscous. It is one of the most famous and beloved dishes in the entire world, a symbol of North African culture and hospitality. Often called North African, its specific origins are frequently debated. But today, we are going to look at the facts. History, archaeology, and linguistics all point to one specific place of origin, Algeria. Let's start with the earliest material evidence found by science. Archaeologists have identified perforated terracotta vessels in the Kabylia and Oras regions of Algeria. These ancient artifacts date back to the 2nd century BCE, to the time of Numidia. They are structurally identical to the modern couscousier used in our kitchens today. No equivalent artifacts of this age have been found in Morocco or Tunisia. This establishes Algeria as the earliest physical location of couscous cooking technology. Next, let's look at language. The word couscous itself comes from the Berber root KS-KS, meaning to roll or to shape by hand. This root appears across Algerian Amazigh dialects, Seksu in Kabyle, Keskasu in Choui, Keskas in Mozabite. It is deeply rooted in our language. Since Berber languages predate the Arab presence in North Africa, the dish must have existed long before the medieval Islamic expansion, again pointing to ancient Algeria. Furthermore, you cannot make couscous without hard durum wheat semolina. It is the essential ingredient. Soft wheat simply will not work. Ancient Numidia, modern-day Algeria, was historically known in Roman sources as the granary of Rome. Its agricultural capacity was legendary. Large-scale cultivation of this specific durum wheat was established here centuries before similar intensity appeared in the western or eastern Maghreb. Algeria had the raw material first. So how did it spread to our neighbors? Through Berber tribal migrations and trade routes, couscous moved west to Morocco and east to Tunisia over centuries. In Morocco, couscous became refined and ritualized later, particularly in urban imperial kitchens. In Tunisia, it incorporated influences like harissa and seafood. But we must remember, adoption and adaptation do not equal origin. The core invention, the steaming of semolina, remains an Algerian heritage. Even early medieval Arabic culinary texts from the 11th to 13th centuries mention couscous as a Berber rural dish. These texts explicitly associate it with the central Maghreb. At that time, central Maghreb meant modern Algeria, distinct from Africa or Al-Andalus. Today, UNESCO recognizes couscous as shared Maghrebi heritage, which is culturally correct and brings us together. But shared heritage does not erase historical chronology. Based on archaeology, linguistics, and agriculture, the evidence is clear. The heart of couscous beats in ancient Algeria. It is a timeless gift from our ancestors to the culinary world.